Hello everyone. My dogs. There's Remy. She just flopped. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys just me cleaning my room. It needs a dire cleaning. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. I just need to tidy up because I just got back home from the beach and I just wanted to film a video for you guys since I didn't film a video in forever and I've just been lacking content and like my desire, but I'm trying to get that back before college starts. It's going to be a fun video. Gonna be just chilling. Sorry if I'm just rusty because I'm not filming much, but let me show you what my room currently looks like. It doesn't look the greatest. I'm not happy about it. There's me. Yeah, so this is all like my beach stuff and like everything's just scattered everywhere and I'm not proud of it. Okay, my bed is not even made. My clothes are everywhere. I need to do laundry. I just need to put stuff away. So that's basically what I'm doing. I look blue because my curtain is blue. It's annoying. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing for a couple hours and take you guys along because I like cleaning videos and I like doing cleaning videos. So if you like cleaning videos, hit the thumbs up for me and subscribe down below because we're awesome here in this cute little family. So let's get to cleaning. I think I'm gonna just start with my bed first. I really don't know the reason why. Oh well. So I just made my bed, put some of my throw pillows, and then I don't really use a comforter. I just use a big like knitted blanket and I put my sheets under there. Oh, I forgot to put my stuffed animals. I have Squishmallows and Appa, if you ever watched Avatar. I like to just lay these like out like here. Squishmallow. And I had this like so cute like tiny one that my sister got me. Now that's good. My room's kind of good now with my bed being made, but this side is where we need to start. So I think I'm gonna just get all of my clothes that I like wore on vacation and just get them out of my duffel bag. Gonna do that. And when I clean, I usually like to watch YouTube. I don't really listen to music. Dirty laundry. I'm gonna just set that there because there's stuff in the laundry. Now it's a lot cleaner, but this is all like the stuff I didn't wear or that's clean. So I'm gonna put all of this away. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some of my shoes that I took from the beach and just put it in my closet. Just to warn you guys, my closet is a disaster. I don't even want to talk about it. It's so bad. If you guys want me to do a video of me cleaning out my closet, let me know because I will definitely do that. I've just been holding it off for so long now and it's just accumulated so much junk and clothes. Does anyone else like bring too much stuff and you're like, why did I even do this? Like I didn't even wear half of this. So I'm gonna put all of these shoes away. Put my shoes like up here in this like rack thing and it's a mess. I know. There's some shoes I don't even wear anymore. Alright, so my room is looking a little bit better. It's just like, just gotta pick up stuff, which I'm not looking forward to doing that. This is my little Etsy station, which I like to keep semi-neat. Doesn't really look neat. This is where some of my technology goes. Just because I don't have a desk, I just like to put all this stuff right here. And my camera gear. gonna put my laundry basket in here because it's not ready to be filled, so I think I'll just go like that. Oh, I also got this from the beach. I like smashed it with a hammer. It was like this rock, and this is what was inside. Isn't that crazy? It broke into like 2 large chunks. Isn't that so pretty? It's in 3 major chunks. Like, you cannot tell me this isn't really pretty. Might like display it somewhere, but here's another like little one. So sparkly. Just gonna keep these in here for now because the next step is cleaning off this and this because the ground is pretty good. Just gotta get like rid of some of these like boxes that just don't have anything in them. That corner is always a mess, but yeah, I think I'm gonna start with this one. So here's what I got. I just have like random like knickknacks on here, and I really like this, like the setup right here. Looks really cute. Now, time to clean this up. Okay, so about an hour or 2 later, finally done with my room, so let me show you guys what it looks like. So you walk in and it's freshly vacuumed. Who else likes a vacuumed carpet? It's amazing. And then here's my bed with my tapestry right there and all my pillows and stuffed animals. And then here's my charger that just sticks out here. And then you come over here to one of my dressers and here's my TV and all my knickknacks up there and on here. For some reason, this is like stained here. I'm trying to like redo my room, so let me know if you guys want to see a video of me just redecorating my room, because I will totally do that. But yeah, it's really pretty. I even dusted all around here. That kind of basically stayed the same. I need to just redo that when I do that. All my knickknacks right there. And then over here is my other drawer. It looks so nice and neat. I love how all my stuff is laid out there. And then some of my wall decorations are right there. And here is a basket full of blankets of mine. And then I just put my 2 shoes that I wear mostly all the time since of like work or staying at home. So my Crocs and then my Adidas shoes. And then my wonderfully blue curtain that makes me blue tint all the time in my videos. But here's my laundry. I need to start doing it, but the laundry's being used. Over here is just my like Etsy corner. You guys didn't know I have an Etsy shop. It's Handmade by Amanda May. It's always linked down my videos if you ever want to purchase anything. I make them all by hand. And then over here is just more of like technology stuff, like all my charging stuff. I just put it right there. And then over here is where I basically get ready for the day. I usually just sit right on the ground with my mirror. Hello. And then my makeup bags. There's some more like makeup and skincare in there in that drawer. And there's another little mirror, and then my brushes. And then this is my trash can, and then this is my recycling bin. So I am very pleased with my clean room. Oh my gosh, it looks so clean. I am so happy about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be sure to come back and make more videos. I just haven't been in the mood, but now I'm like getting in the mood since like college is starting, and that's when I usually do a lot of like content then. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning my room with me video. Hope it was relaxing, somewhat relaxing, but I'll let you guys go. I hope you guys have a good one. Remember, God is good. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.